Hello, my darlings. It's me, Ginger V, and thank you so much for pressing play. This is the making of the Sun in Orange bar. Now, there are lots of wonderful ingredients in the Sun in Orange bar, but a few of them are carrots, turmeric, orange peel, orange, and nutmeg essential oils that have been added to make this a wonderful cleansing bar and skin softening bar as well. So I carefully chose the oils and butter to add to this bar, oils that are organic and or natural, like cocoa butter and castor oil to condition and moisturize, and also like rice bran oil to deeply moisturize the skin, and so on. I also added turmeric, lemon peel, and orange peel. All of these are known to help brighten and improve the look of skin that's dry or even oily. I like the addition or adding these because I feel like it adds to that happiness and the joy in this particular bar. Lemon is known to be an alpha hydroxy acid as well as orange. And so what they do is they just naturally exfoliate the skin. So when you're using this bar, you're going to feel a little bit of exfoliation, but the enzymes in the lemon and the orange will help with that. And plus the turmeric will help with any sort of inflammation that may arise because of the dry skin. Now, an interesting ingredient that I've added to this bar is called nutmeg, and I blended that with orange and lemon, and it releases this beautiful, warm, woodsy, juicy aroma, which really helps with improving your mood as well. This is an orange bar. When I think of oranges, I think of happiness, I think of joy, and the nutmeg helps to also give that balance as well. So, here are a few of my skin tips when you are taking care of your skin and using this bar. So, please exfoliate on your dry skin with a dry brush daily. I particularly like using it in the morning before I jump into the shower. You also want to exfoliate your skin with sugar or salt or any sort of physical exfoliant, and you want to do that about twice a week. Also, what's important is eating fibrous foods and hydrating your body regularly. And also, after you've taken your bath or your shower, you want to apply your moisturizer to your wet skin to lock in that moisture. The Sun and Orange bar has been on the curing rack for about 4 months now, and it is always a pleasure making this. I can't wait to wrap up your order and send it off to you. Thank you so much for pressing play and just watching me make this a lovely bar. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.